Divisibility rule for 3 and divisibility rule for 9 are very similar. So let's first quickly check the divisible rule by 3. So to check whether a number is divisible by 3, we'll just add all the digits of the number. That is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So the summation is here 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12. So is 12 divisible by 3? If the answer is yes, in this case we know 12 is divisible by 3, then the entire number will be divisible by 3. So what you are doing here, you are adding up all the digits of the number, and if the sum of the digits are divisible by 3, then the entire number also will be divisible by 3. Let's check the second case. The digits are 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 9, 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 9. The summation is 21. Is 21 divisible by 3? The answer is yes. So 1299 also will be divisible by 3. Similarly 12, 1 plus 2, 3. We know 3 is divisible by 3. So 12 is divisible by 3. 198, 1 plus 9 plus 8, 1 plus 9 plus 8. So this is 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? The answer is yes. So 198 is also divisible by 3. So the rule is very simple. If we take a number like 639, we'll add all the digits. So here the sum of the digits will be 18 because 6 plus 3 plus 9 is 18. Then we'll check the sum of the digits, and in this case sum of the digit, is it divisible by 3? The answer is yes. So 639 also will be divisible by 3. Now to check a number is divisible by 9, we'll follow the same rule as we followed for divisible by 3. That is, we are going to add all the digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here the sum is 12. Now like divisible by 3, what we did, we checked whether this sum is divisible by 3. In this case, we will check whether this sum is divisible by 9. Is 12 divisible by 9? The answer is no. So this number will not be divisible by 9. Let's take the second case. We'll add all the digits, 1 plus 2 plus 9 plus 9. It is 21. Is 21 divisible by 9? The answer is no. So 1299 also will not be divisible by 9. Similarly 12, 1 plus 2, 3. Is 3 divisible by 9? The answer is no. So 12 will not be divisible by 9. But let's take the fourth case, 1 plus 9 plus 8, that is 18. Is 18 divisible by 9? The answer is yes. So 198 will be divisible by 9. So the rule is very similar like divisibility by 3. We'll add all the digits, that is in this case 18, 6 plus 3 plus 9, and we'll check whether this sum is divisible by 9. Is 18 divisible by 9? The answer is yes. So 639 also will be divisible by 9. So let's summarize. Let's say we have a number A, B, C, D, E, F. We'll add up all the digits of that number, A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus A. And we'll check whether this sum is divisible by 3. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the number will be also divisible by 3. We'll again check whether this sum is divisible by 9. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the number also will be divisible by 9. For example, if we take a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we'll add all the digits, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So here, what is the sum? 6 plus 6, 12 plus 9, 21. Now, is 21 divisible by 3? The answer is yes. So this number also will be divisible by 3. Now, is 21 divisible by 9? The answer is no. So this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is also not divisible by 9. So we'll take a number, we'll add all the digits, then we'll check whether the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. If yes, then the number also will be divisible by 3. And for divisibility by 9, we'll check whether this sum of the digits is divisible by 9. If yes, then the number also will be divisible by 9.